still dong yo haging sia create ya record hak Indian Book of Records span ka solar system bat ke space kumulai thu menne ula wan jubab nyau ndru kli ki jingkli tang hapo khat sau minute point some seconds ke udang dap tang arsnem sipho bnai hak por bu yo e ka word umpan dai school rei lo yo e ka word but ni ulang ba compare nadu udang dap ndru bnai e lahi kai ka keme kumno ban itu i colors kumno ban itu i kamera kumno ban itu sentiau ba kumta tartar hadian ni syam dala penhikai keme ni syam bu de khulung ba kham dan ka jabing te ni la kham train susu yu but ni layale ya tu ka haka Indian Book of Records ka baka headquarter jongki kadang apo ariana ning isu yale online ya question ni ask mangi nilai online bat ni sapha sathe te hadian betul study nadong sadong nanti te kila jet une bat ki amul la create ya record haka asnem sipho bnai la create ya record bau lala penjubab katu tuli ki jingkli bat ngatrai kani kani ka record bu print mu ngam try ondan bala su ban break nomor asnem sipho bnai tang ban keren baru 4 like ndai une ngang keli mentala ka English namar ba ngilikai English ndai ba unang kasi unang bah tin melim ru tang ba namar ba la sajam lin man keli English yang keli English. Yes, Jude Maynard Khyriem, can you tell your name please?
Jude Maynard.
Okay, what is the name of your mother? Yeah. What is the name of your mother?
Mama.
Mama. What is her name?
Double F.
Level F. Okay. So, can you tell me how many planets are there in solar system?
8.
8. Good. Very good. Can you name them?
Mercury, Venus and Earth and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune too.
Very good. Okay. Can you tell me something about Mercury?
It's the closest to the sun.
Good. Then, is it how much big it is?
It's 3 times bigger.
No, wrong. Mercury is the largest planet. Is it?
No,
What planet is it then, Mercury?
smallest one.
Yes, correct. How many days it take, Mercury, how many days does it take to orbit around the sun?
88.
Very good. Okay, tell me something about the Venus.
It's the hottest planet in the whole solar system.
Very good, the hottest planet in the whole solar system. Now, can you tell me something about the Earth?
It's where we live.
Pardon?
It's where we live.
It is where we live. Okay. What else? Can you tell me something about the Earth?
It is life planet.
It is life planet. Okay. Now, can you tell me something about Mars?
It's the red planet.
It is the red planet. Okay. How many moons does Mars have?
What?
How many moons does Mars have?
2.
2 moons. Can you name them?
Phobos and Deimos.
Very good. After Mars, which planet it comes?
Jupiter.
Jupiter. Can you tell me something about Jupiter?
It's the biggest of all planets.
It is the biggest of all the planets. Very good. How many moons does Jupiter have?
59.
59 moons. Correct. Can you tell me something about Saturn?
It is the planet who has rings.
It is the planet who has rings. Very good. And what about Uranus? Can you tell me something about Uranus?
It's the icy planet.
It is the icy planet. Can you tell me something about Neptune?
It's the far from the sun.
It is the farthest planet from the sun. Very good, Jude Maynard Khyriem. That's right. Katu lah biang kila yatim. Tak. Kublai Shibun.
Bless you, Thank you.